Good morning to one and all. My name is Ashok. I am presenting about effect of air pollution on human beings, plants and animals. The air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matter or biological materials that cause harm or discomfort to humans or other living organisms. The air pollution damages the natural environment into the atmosphere. Air pollution caused by industries, automobiles, and domestic fuels. Fire, high proportion of undesirable gas like sulfur dioxide. The presence of sulfur dioxide in the air causes asthma, bronchitis, and eye irritation. Carbon monoxide is a very toxic gas and it combines with hemoglobin of blood and it reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of blood in which the human body is in weak in manner. And the air pollution affects human health, animals, plants, atmosphere, and acid rains, which is affected by the air pollution. The air pollution causes sulfur dioxide in air, in which the breathing of air causes many problems like asthma, bronchitis, and eye irritation. Nitrogen oxide can cause respiratory illness among children, and the coal miners normally suffer with black lung diseases, in which the coal will release the smoke. Tetraethyl lead is used in the petrol for the control of ignition. Most of traffic policemen suffer with lead poisoning. Lead has a determinant effect on children's brain and development. Arsenic dust from processing industries cause arsonious or skin cancer. In air pollution, human health irritate respiratory tract, irritate eyes, nose, and throat. Lead particles cause lead poisoning. Cadmium particles cause cardiovascular disease, kidney and liver damage. Nickel particles cause respiratory damage. Mercury causes central nervous system, kidney and brain. Radioactive substances affect further future generation. The types of diseases caused by air pollution are cancer, kidney liver damages, skin rashes, nervous system damage, development problem in children, birth defects, and etc. The disease occurred through the air pollution, which is danger for children and senior citizens. The air pollution causes illness, heart problems due to breath. The pollution causes skin cancer, etc. Where danger for human life. Sulfur dioxide, ozone fluoride, and peroxylic nitrate damage the leaves of plants. If no leaves are damaged, the entire plant will die. So the leaves were damaged by the air pollution and trees were die. When the trees were die, the oxygen level will decrease. Sulfur dioxide, a byproduct of burning fossil fuels such as oil, coal, and gasoline, causes change in the color of leaf tissue, which may turn white, brown, or yellow. The low of carbon dioxide due to the sulfur dioxide, the color of the leaf will change to yellow, brown, or white from green, which will the dangerous of human life. Except the oxygen, it will not leave any gas from which the pot is yellow, brown, or white. Ozone damage on leaves appears as mottled spots, which may be yellow, black, or brown. The plant will drop its leaf altogether in the air pollution, which it is more dangerous of that region. The oxygen will less in the time when the leaves will fall off altogether. The enzymes phosphoglymates and phosphorylates are inhibited by PAN. PAN full form is the peroxyactyl nitrate. It can inhibit the mobilization of torch in darkness due to the suppression of phosphorylic reaction. Also inhibits CO2 fiction during photosynthesis. Fatty acid synthesis is affected by PAN due to oxidation of NAD. NADPH is called as nicotinamide adenine phosphate, in which the fatty acid synthesis is affected by PAN. The water pollution can be defined as alteration in physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of water through natural or human activities, making it unsuitable for its designated use. It can be also defined as the presence in water of some foreign substance or impurities like organic, inorganic, biological, or radiological in such quantity so as to constitute a health hazard by lowering the water quality and making it unfit for use. The industries were removing all the waste products to the seas, rivers, or side river, in which the pollution were spread through all over the river, and the water were polluted, and the fishes or other organic animals were dying or unable to reproduce or unable to reuse. Effect of water pollution on animal life. Pollution nutrients cause excessive growth of toxic algae, leading to the outbreak of diseases in fish. So the chemical contaminants water suppress frog and tadpole biodiversity. Air pollution damages the growth of seabirds, where it is flying all over the world. Polluted water retards the reproductive efficiency of animals. Percentage organic pollution contains the growth of fish and wipe out their breed. So the polluted water cannot prepare the fish breed on the water, which is the pollution will kill all over the fishes by the pollution. Excessive quantity of sodium chloride in water may kill animals. So the nitrogen dioxide causes many diseases. In acid rain destroys many fishes on the water, which is more dangerous. Thanking you, thanking you for your support, or patience, caring for kind of words and sharing. Thanking you.